जय शंकर. ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. मात्रे नमः. आयचो हो पर्वकालारी वर्धंती उत्सव. वर्धंती म्हूण आसता पण आमगेल हांगा हे भुवनेश्वरी उत्सव केले की म्हळ्यार 5 देवाल एकपंथा स्थापन जाल्लो आसा. वर्धंती उत्सवाक वेलकम करचे खातीर म्हाका हांगा राबयला. हांगा विराजमान आशिल्ले तसले आमगेले परमपूज्य सज्जोजात शंकर आश्रम स्वाम्यांक आमगेले समाजा तर्फेने तशीच हांगा आशिल्ल्या सर्वांगल तर्फेने हांव स्वागत करता. तशीच आज हांगा दूर दूर तावन आयिल्ले आसात. बॉम्बे तशीच आमगेले US तावन अरुण मामू हांगा लोक थोडे दिसता ती पण आजकाल ऑनलायन आशिल्ली लायव्ह आशिल्ली ती लोक लायव्ह पळयता आसा ती तांकां सर्वांक स्वागत करता. विशेष म्हणजे आज आमगेले माउंट आबूचे थोडे साधक हांगा आयिल्ले आसा ती हे उत्सवा खातीर तांकां विशेष रितीन स्वागत करता. श्री चित्रापूर मठावती तर्फेने स्थायी समिती तर्फेने तशीच आमच्या लोकल सभे तर्फेने हे 2 उतर सांगून कल्याक म्हळ्यार वेळ जाता उलयता आसल्यार सभा कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ प्रार्थना करून आयचे धर्मसभेचे प्रारंभ करूया. सर्वांनी सांगया.
दक्षिणाश्र समारंभ शंकराचार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंता स्मर्या गुरु परंपरा श्रुति स्मृति पुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरं लोकशंकरं शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. परिज्ञानाश्रम श्री गुरुशंकर परिज्ञानाश्रम शंकर सद्गुरु केशव वामन कृष्ण पांडुरंग आनंद परिज्ञान गुरु सज्जोजात शंकर सद्गुरु गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. धर्मसभेचे प्रथम कार्यक्रम जावन CHF म्हळ्यार चित्रापूर हेरिटेज फाउंडेशन USA चे हांगाल एक वेबसायट आवरण जातले. ताजे खातीर हांव शांतेश नायल मामाक अरुण हेबळे हांणी USA जावन आयिल्ले आसा ती तांकां इंट्रोड्यूक्शन करता म्हणून विनंती करता. शांतेश मामा.
Jai Shankar. On the auspicious occasion of this Vardhanti Utsav, we are here to seek the blessings of Param Pujya Swamiji for the launch of the website of the Chitrapur Heritage Foundation USA. We're fortunate to have with us Arun Heble Mam, President of the Chitrapur Heritage Foundation. Arun Mam was born in Hanavar and went to the US in 1965 to study manufacturing pharmacy. He had wanted to return to India and set up his own enterprise, but eventually decided to settle there. Arun Mam's father, Ramanand Heble, was an ardent devotee of Parijnanashram Swamiji and came forward when the time came to support the revival of the Rathotsav in 73. as he did with many other causes after that as well. The tradition of devotion and seva runs deep in this family, and Arun Mam and his wife Geeta Pachi were blessed with a week-long visit by Parindanashram Swamiji to their home in 1979. To date, Arun Mam's every visit to India begins with a visit to the Sanjeevani Samadhi and seeking blessings from there. In 2005, Arun Mam, along with some like-minded sadhakas in the US, founded the Chitrapur Heritage Foundation. The CHF today has over 350 members across that country, and with its 11-member board and 3 advisors, it's a platform for spreading awareness about the SCM in US and also channelizing the efforts of the sadhakas there to offer seva and support to Sri Chitrapur Mat Samsthan and its affiliates. I request Arun Mam to come and very briefly tell us more about what CHF does and how its activities are associated with the Mat. Please come, Arun Mam.
Thank you, Santish Mam. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Om Shri Matre Namaha. First, I want to thank our Param Pujya Swamiji for giving this opportunity to be here and make a short presentation of CHF. Also thank Santish Mam and Satish Mam and Narayan Mam to make this possible. I feel proud and as well as humbled to be here on this very auspicious day of Vardhanti Utsav. And especially when I found out from Nandu Kalambi as well as Santish Mam that Pujya Swamiji has gracefully agreed to launch our new website. And I couldn't resist that opportunity to be here. I could have been at Kumbh Mela, but this is more important for me. So that's why I'm here. And Chitrapur Heritage Foundation was formed in 2005. It so happened that Vinod Janimadi Mam was in US, and he suggested we should form an organization to represent all the Amchis in US. And sure enough, CHF was formed on June 15th, 2005. A very auspicious day. As you know, June 15th is a birth Janma Divas for our Guru Swami Parindanashram Swamiji. And one of the main objectives of CHF is to connect Amchis with the Chitrapur Mat, Guru Parampara, and of course our Mathadipati Sadyojata Shankaracharya Swamiji and his initiatives. We try to support everything that's Swamiji wants to get it done. And I think we are pretty well there. Thank you. We're trying, Swamiji. And our logo is, his vision is our mission, okay? And I sincerely mean that. The 3 main initiatives that we support is Vantika. Vantika is a must to cultivate our culture and values and spirituality. We collect from all Amchis as far as possible, but we are about 70% of Amchis that we could collect the money from. The other one is education. We support schools. We support 6 different schools: Shivalli, Karla, Virar School, Mangalore, and Kotekar School, and Mallapur School. Thank you. The third thing is woman empowerment. We strongly support Sammisudha, and we have made a great improvement in sales in recent years. I see Pachi is here, who will be very happy to know that the sales are increasing, and we have put extra effort in marketing your Samvisuddha products. They're very well accepted, and just wait for the results now, okay? So the other things we have supported, Swamiji wanted was, the first thing we did was Hajj, Hajj, the three third centenary project we supported, and then also Swamiji wanted to acquire this Tiruvannamalai. We helped them also, and so this is the past. Now what's new? We are doing a lot of new things. We want our biggest objective is to get the younger generation involved. We want the young people to get involved, and what we are doing now is getting them into local activities like helping in the churches, collect soups, give to needies, and things that so they can learn to give and help people, you know. The recent, I want to add one more thing. I know it's getting late. We started a group with Swamiji's blessing, Prerana Varg Muno, because what used to happen is Prarthana Varg, the kids from early age till 13th, and again Yuvadhara, which starts at age 16. So between 13 and 16, the kids didn't have much guidance, you know. So Swamiji suggested a young couple, why don't you initiate this, take interest, and sure enough, Madhavi and Milind Kopikar, they have started this Prerana Varg Muno, and there are already 15 children, Swamiji, and it's growing. It's really well accepted. Yeah, thank you, thank you. So this is all I have to say, and before I request Swamiji to launch our new website, I must thank the people who worked on it. You know, it may take a couple of minutes more. Shantish Ma'am, okay. The person who really spearheaded the thing was Nandu Kalambi. He worked especially hard, diligently for almost a year, you know, and developed. It has come out very, very nice. You know. There is development partners called ZVT, led by Sanjeeva Chitlapalli, and I found out that he's a big devotee of Swamiji, you know, and he has done a great job, right, Santish Ma'am? Yes. Yeah. Now the CHF team is composed of Gurudat Dhareshwar, he is the webmaster. Neil Jangiani, he is a young Yuva, he is the editor. Then Milind Gokardmam, you probably know, many of you know, he used to handle our website before. He did it on his own without charging any money to the organization. And now, of course, we wanted to improve it and make it bigger and better and user-friendly and all that. So that's why we are doing that now. And for the content of the website, there are individuals who helped are Mangesh Hoskote Ma'am, Devyani Pachi, Pramod Mavin Kore Ma'am, Ashok Kulkarni Ma'am, Kiran Mundkur Ma'am, Mamta Savkur Pachi, Komal Sujir Pachi. And this has, of course, wouldn't have been completed without help of your own Santish Nail Ma'am. Santish Ma'am really helped. Thanks for helping for edits and all that, you know, and you've done a great job. And the CPC group, you know, okay. So that's all I have to say, and I thank again for to listen and give me this opportunity. And I'm sure if we work together, our CHF and your team here, there's a tremendous future for our children. And I have full faith with Swamiji's blessings, it will happen. God bless. Thanks. Thanks.
थँक्यू हेबळे माम. तशी शांतेश मामाका वेबसायट लॉन्च जाल्लो आसा CHFाचें. हे लाईव्ह आशिल्लें ते पुरा कडेन दिसता आसता तांकां एवेलेबल आहा. आमकां वेबसायटान मेळटलें इन फ्युचरान तूं. आतां स्थळ महिमा बद्दल आतां हेबळे मामान एक उतर सांगलें. आपण महाकुंभा वचचे आशिल्ले, आपण हांगा आयला, पण महाकुंभा पशी आमकां हें क्षेत्र इतलें महत्व आसा. एक छान उदाहरण सांगता स्वाम्यान परमिशन आसलेली. आमी ज्योती हाडटना पादयात्रा करून तेव्हा फेब्रुवारी आशिल्लें. पादुका हांगा कट्टेले येवन पावले तेन्ना पावस आयलो, पुष्पवृश्टी जाली. हें कोणा लक्ष आसा की ना वता तशी हें क्षेत्राची एक मोहीम आसा. आतां सेकेंड जावन तेन्ना एक आमकां पादयात्रेचें एक म्युजिकल ट्रॅक आशिल्ले. ते आजुनूय आसा, आजुनूय आयकोच्योरी आसता. आमी डेली हांगा लायता ती गुरू परंपरे नंतर. तशीच ही आमगेले षष्टब्दी पुर्ती वेळारी आमगेले युवाने एक 13/7 म्हणून म्युजिकल ट्रॅक केल्लो आसा. ताजे बद्दल तें अनावरण करचें आसा. हांव मैथिली पाचीक आमंत्रण दिता की तिणे ताजे बद्दल सांगता.
जयशंकर. आमी स्वामांगल 50th बर्थडे कॅन सेलिब्रेट केलेले कनकांजली उत्सव मुंबईन जाले 2014. तावळी 16 युवाज आमी फ्रेंड्स वोट टू मेळून वी वॉन्टेड टू थँक स्वामीजी अँड वी केम टुगेदर विथ अ म्युजिकल ट्रिब्यूट म्हणून. इट वॉज एन ॲकोपेला मेडली. बट आमकां तावळी कल शब्द तातूंत घालता ती म्हणून गोत नाशिल्लो. सो वी जस्ट डिसायडेड की आमी स्वाम्यांनीच शिकयलेले पुरा भजनांतून लायन्स घेवन medley करून आमी प्रेजेंट केला. अँड स्वामीजी वॉज एक्स्ट्रीमली generous to have us, to allow us to share it with everyone, and it was so well loved कि आमकां मस्त ताची gratitude. We got a lot of appreciation, emails, phone calls, messages, and ते पुरा आमी print करून all of us went to Karla the next following week, and first we went and placed it in front of Parinanasham Swamiji's Samadhi Sanidhi to thank him, because the inspiration even for that had come from him. Tawali, I stood there and I said, in 10 years, I hope we have the words to thank him in our own words. And 2 words came to mind, Tera Saath, which I typed into my phone. And then it took only 10 years to finish writing the song. So that was Tera Saath. I am extremely grateful to Swamiji for having accepted that song. And the biggest thanks is to Parinanasham Swamiji who inspired that song. So I think आयच्या दिसाक हांगा प्रेजेंट करूं जावचें is my greatest honor and achievement in life, and I thank both my gurus for giving us this opportunity. I would also like to thank a few more people who helped the song come to life. Chaitanya Gulwadi Ma'am, Shailaja Ganguly Pachi, who gave us small suggestions to make sure that the lyrics were in order. Biggest thanks to Divya Bizur and Prithvish Kumble, who gave shape to that song, because mak music yana, but they could understand what I was trying to do with the song and they brought it to life. Ajay Shirali Ma'am and SEM Karla, who have helped us record, who have supported us in recording the song. Sharad Shirali Ma'am, who was there throughout the recording, gave us valuable inputs. Yatin and Aparna Ullal, who spearheaded this entire recording from start till the finish. Aditya Chandavarkar and the Sri Chitrapur Yuvadhara office, who have supported the Yuvas in making this happen. And we also have the credits of the actual singers, and I will just read that out, just 2 more minutes. The song arrangement has been done by Aparna Ullal. Musicians, harmonium Kedar Bhagwat, flute Sachin Dumar, harmony, vibraphone, bass guitar Avinash Chandrachud, tabla Prithvish Kumble and Pratap Rath, dholak Arun Mohite, harp and percussions Pratap Rath. Singers according to the appearance in the song: Divya Bizur, Aparna Ullal, Amit Savkur, Naveen Bizur, Arjun Rao, Shivani Kalyanpur, Rachit Mavin Kurve, Sharmila Nagarkatti, Arya Dhareshwar, Nirmit Kumta. The song recording was done at Shirali Studios in Bandra. Recording was done by Sharat Shirali Mam and Yatin Ulal Mam. And song designing, mixing and mastering was done by Yatin Ulal. The song has been written and composed by me, Maithili Padukone. With this, I would like to invite my team that is present here today to present this at the lotus feet of Param Pujya Swamiji and seek his blessings. And then I request the media team to play the song. Thank you.
जन्म जन्म का ये है नाता, शिव सायुज्य का वरदान, हर नाम रूप में तुझे है पूजा, कभी शंकर कभी परिज्ञान,
कभी शंकर कभी परिज्ञान, तेरा मैं मेरा तो, तेरा मैं मेरा तो,
थामा है तेरा ही हाथ, छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ, ओ छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ,
तुझी से बांधिए गांठ, छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ, छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ 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 तेरा साथ।
मुख से झलकता तेज पाया है, वचन से मिलता आशीर्वाद, मुख से झलकता तेज पाया है, वचन से मिलता आशीर्वाद, स्वर से स्पंदित माया से मोहित, सरे मा 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 सरे मा पा 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 रे मा पा नी नी रे पा पा पा, स्वर से स्पंदित माया से मोहित,
तुझ में बसी कायनात, छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ, हो छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ 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 तेरा साथ।
मन में मेरे तू ही बसा है, मंत्र जपाए तेरी दुआ है, मन में छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ,
तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ, तेरा साथ।
पाया है सब कुछ तेरी कृपा से, फिर भी मैं मांगू झोली फैला के। पाया है सब कुछ तेरी कृपा से, फिर भी मैं मांगू झोली फैला के। मैं हक से मांगू तेरा साथ, हरदम मैं मांगू तेरा साथ, अंतर से मांगू तेरा साथ, अंबर से मांगू तेरा साथ। जपती रहूं मैं दिन रात, छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ। जपती रहूं मैं दिन रात, छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ, 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 छूटे ना कभी तेरा साथ।
तेरा साथ, 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 तेरा साथ। तेरा साथ, 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 तेरा साथ।
जाने तू मेरे जज्बात, थामा है तेरा ही हाथ, शिव सायुज्य सवार।
गूंज उठे कायनात, गूंज उठे कायनात, गूंज उठे कायनात,
गूंज उठे कायनात, छूटे ना कभी